Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you my luxury studio apartment located in the downtown Dallas area in the Victory Park area. Just in case you're wondering what a studio look like, it is 619 square feet. I know what you're saying, yeah, it's small, but listen, trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. I love studios. It is everything, and it's conventional for me. I'm right there by the W, across the street from American Airlines, by KD Trail, by Deep Ellum. Trust me. Let me show you some decor ideas that I did, and maybe you can learn from me, or you can tell me some down below. Come on. Okay, you guys, this is me right here. So I put a simple wreath on the door right here that I got from, I think, Hobby Lobby. I just want it simple for right now. I'm 80% done, so I definitely will change it later, but for right now, it's a go. That right there, the little carpet right there, I think that came from At Homes. Okay, so let's go in. Okay, so let me turn around so y'all can see the full potential. Okay, so go back. All right, so here is a coat hanger I had to get from At Homes because it has nowhere to put my coats. And right there, this is my shoes I wear all the time, so I don't put them up, I just keep it right there. That right there, a background that I was supposed to use, but I bought me a new one, so child, I'm gonna throw it away. That basket right here, I think they come from Target. Target put my clothes in because it has very little space to put your clothes in, and I have a lot of clothes. That suitcase right there, I had got, I just ended up keeping it because I had got just to throw away because I had brought somebody a gift, and yeah. So I was like, you know what, let me just keep it. That right there came from IKEA because I needed somewhere to put my clothes in because the closet is super small. So yeah, I love it. It's so sleek. All right, my purses I wear on a daily basis. I just put something right there. This is me, of course. That's my mini me right there. She usually have a wig on top, honey, but you know, I got it on today. So yeah, she bald today. So yeah, this is her. That right there is a mini desk. I actually got that from, where did I get that? It's refurbished. I got this from a college student because I needed something small and everything was too big. And it's so cute. So yeah. And I got that little chair from, the heart chair from, where did I get it? Home Goods. And I got my computer if I do all my meetings, my Zoom meetings, if I'm doing a little reading or whatever, you know. So I took advantage of this whole little hallway here. I had to. And that right there is my bar equipment goes in there. So let me stand back 1 second. And that right there, that's the water heater right there. So I don't need to show you that. This right here is a stackable. Let me show you. Is, yeah, stackable washer and dryer. And I also, see, I just told you I take advantage of every inch. My tripods and everything goes on the side. I find places for everything, trust me. Every little nook and corner got something in it, promise you. Okay, so now we're about to step into the living room slash bedroom slash dining room, okay? Let's go in. So let me just show y'all, you know, the full thing before I get started here. Okay, so let me stand back, way back. Give me a second, y'all. Okay, so this right here is the kitchen, okay? All right, so we got, everything is stainless steel. We have the brown cabinets. We have the granite tops. So yeah, I got the plant up there that I got. I love plants and flowers, by the way. Like I said, stainless steel appliances. I got, you know, all that, you know. I love plants. Oh, that's one of my best items I have bought. Let me see if I can zoom in. It is the Ava Bust from CB2. Oh my God, I love it. Like I said, I love all my flowers. Them candles right there is called the flameless flickering candles. Oh my God, I love them so much. I paid like $80 for them 3. So yeah, and then that was a deal. Okay, And then I had to get this fan right here. Let me step back because God forbid there's no fan in here. You would think they would have one, but hey, gotta make what I do. And I had to get a fan that wouldn't mess with the aesthetic of the place, so I got that fan from Home Goods. Then I had to get this little lamp. You see it? It's so minimalist. I love it. Yes. And you know what? The reason why I love studios, because it's easy to maintain, simple. I'm a minimalist, and I just love it. I just love the aesthetics of it, you know. And of course, we got the floor-to-ceiling windows. Let me step back, because now we're getting into the living room. I think that building right there is actually, you know, blocking my view. But anyway, so now we have this right here. This is where, when I have company and I eat dinner, we eat right here. That I got from a designer furniture store, okay? And I totally love it. I love the see-through, the transparency. So yeah, super cute. Love it. This couch right here, let me go on the side of it. Yeah, I got that from At Homes, and I think I got the carpet from At Homes too. Now let me go to this right here, this mirror right here. I think I got that from At Homes as well. Okay, that TV, I think this is 55-inch or 61 of them. I just got something simple. I just got something simple also, because I got rid of the other big thing I had. So yeah, and I was supposed to find somebody to hide these wires, but I think I said fuck it. Yeah, candles. I love a good candle. Bath and Body Works. I got a whole bunch of them when they had these sales, so I'm still using those. And I also have a couple of Neiman's Marcus candles over there too. Got that little, you know, side table from, where did I get that? At Homes. So cute. This bag, this is my baby right here. Look at that. I got that from, I think that came from West Town. I love it. It's so cute. So cute. So let me turn around, guys. That lamp right there came from Amazon. I love the chandelier aesthetic, so I thought it fit in with the decor I got going on, you know, gray, white, crystal. So yeah, that's why I got it. It took me 30 minutes to put up the other day, and I like it, but it's heavy, and it, you know, I had to prop it against the wall because it don't stand straight up, you know. Okay, I think that came from Target. Now this right here, I need to let y'all see this from a distance. Look at that. Okay, now this is a queen size day bed. Okay, I bought that also from when I first came down here in Dallas at a designer furniture store. They ordered it for me, and when I have company, this right here comes at the bottom into a twin size day bed. Matter of fact, now that it's supposed to be sheep work right there I got from this website, and it totally looked at three times as bigger, and it looks nothing like the picture, but I decided to keep it anyway so I won't lose my $200 because it looked like it don't cost over $30, matter of fact. Now I got a bunch of these pillows. I think they came from Target. A couple of them came from Home Good, At Home, wherever I can find them, that's where they came from. Okay, I added me some floating shelves. I got one of my good friends to put them up. And matter of fact, he put the day bed up, took it down, put it right back up, and he put these floating shelves up. And yeah, got some pictures, of course, me. Matter of fact, let's zoom in on the tatas. Ooh, girl, hell yeah. Sexy ass. All right, so that right there, y'all, guess what that is? The closet. Child, let's open it. I told you it's super small, so I had to get additional clothing. Put my clothes in. So let me see if I can step back a little bit so you can see. So I had to get two, matter of fact, it's 4 of these in there. 1, 2, and 2 on the side right there. And so I put, you know, some of my shoes up there. Let me go closer. Okay, that's me also. Clothes, shoes. I got more shoes and some more baskets down there with jeans and stuff in there. So yeah, I told you that closet is super small, so I had to make do and put my most important clothes in here. Matter of fact, I told you I got shit at a storage that I pay every month for $210. Can you believe that? Like, come on now. Yeah, so I make do. And I gave away a lot of clothes because I used to work with Fashion Nova and a whole bunch of clothing that I don't even wear after I take a picture in it, and sometimes I give them away or keep, and half of the time I don't wear them at all. I still got tags, so I just throw it away. Now, this right here, this is where I'm gonna start doing my my bartending, my specialty drinks videos. So yeah, matter of fact, I got this coming in. I'm gonna have my name right there, Becky the bartender. Yep. This is some of the special drinks I'm gonna be doing, so stay tuned for that. And you know I gotta have my scan to pay. Yes indeed. Tips, you already know. You already know. Yes, give me that coin, give me that moolah, that money. Okay, let's go into the bathroom area so you can see. All right, now wait, let me step back. Now the reason I didn't make the bathroom the same as this decor, because my last apartment was farmhouse, and I wanted to keep something, and my grandmother loved farmhouse too, and I wanted to keep something that, you know, that I can remember by, you know what I'm saying. But guess what, I will change it, or when I move in, you know, with somebody else, it's gone. So yeah. All right, so that I have the wooden things everywhere. Let me stand back so y'all can see good. All right, so that's where my towels go. I just got a simple, just something simple. I gotta have my hand sanitizer and things like that. This is stuff I use on a daily basis for my face. Get naked, yes, Dr. Till's. The wooden thing, yep, I got that from Target also. So let me see if I can stand back and show y'all, like, yeah, this is where I have my peace and serenity at. Yes, I just, you know what, matter of fact, I stay naked. Like, ask my sister actually, when she comes over and sleep, she puts all my blinds down because she think people looking at me, and I'll be like, girl, they not worrying about me. I'll be in here with slippers and a thong on, and then one day somebody over there at that apartment would just stand there with a beer in his hand. I'm like, is he looking at the sky or looking at me? And that nigga pointed. Okay, anyway. So I ran, and my sister was laughing because she told me, yes. So let's go look at the balcony area. That is a gate for my sisters. My nephew come over, my sister's dog, Milo, come over. Yes, indeed. He's not gonna run around here. So, chair. This is the scenery I have. Building. Yes. Okay, now we see that. Okay, you guys, that's it for the inside of my luxury studio apartment. So let's go see the other amenities Victory Place have to offer.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet. Talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah. Wait a minute. Don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah. Wait a minute. I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is and a minute with you is and a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is and a minute with you is and a minute with you is all I want.
Okay, you guys, now that we've seen my luxury studio apartment, we've seen everything Victory Place has to offer. And the reason I love studio apartment, because you're able to create your own space, offer your personality. I just love them. So easy to maintain. You'll be able to make it yours, make it your serenity. So I always did like studio apartments, but my bae, his stuff is 4 times bigger than mine, so yeah. But for now, studio is it. It's only me. I don't have much company. And yeah, so if you have any questions about this area of the apartment itself, X down below, or hit me on my social media platforms, which is Instagram. I am Becky Stallion. You can hit me on here, my email, anywhere. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I want you to subscribe, like, subscribe, okay, follow, do all that, share, okay, share if you care, and if you want, you can send me a cash app too. But anyway, hope you have a good day, and